Mabuhay og madayaw. Ako si Robin Grace Redali, ang inyong patnubay ng Davao 2026. So far, nag-sink in na jud siya kaya na may duties. Unya, nag-sign na mi og kontrata. And I'm with my Mutya sisters all the time, and sometimes we call each other by our titles. Ako si Patnubay, sometimes si Diwa, tawag ko Diwa, si Mutya, of course si Mutya. So, nag-sink in na po siya, but the reality is, wala pa medyo di pa gaano klaro for now. So, before getting the crown, dili ka ko interested in pageants. Ito ang pinakaunang pageant na ako. Yes, ito pinakaunang pageant na ako. Kaya very focused ako sa school sa una. And nag-graduate na ako, kaya nag-join ko Mutya ng Davao ulit. Nag-audition ko tong 2020, kaso after ni-announce na naanay top 20, nagka-pandemic. So, murag ito, nag-try ko ulit. Gusto ko makita anong mangyari if nag-join ako ng pageant. And before the crown, isa akong unika iha, only daughter, and akong papa kay British, akong mama kay Filipino. So I grew up with two cultures. And sa bahay namo kay Bisaya, Chavacano, Ilonggo, Tagalog ang language. So diverse jud kayo. And yeah, growing up as an only child, bida-bida jud ko. Kaya joining a pageant felt right, because I've always been an advocate for volunteering. I've always been part of the church. Sa amo ang local church, local communities, gusto na ako mag-give back kay kabalo ko. I understand that I come from a place of privilege. And coming from a place of privilege, dili nato na i-abuso. Dapat i-share nato na. So that's the reason why I joined the pageant. That's Robin behind the crown. Oh, very different. Davao has a much closer culture of community, I would say. In Canada, it's the type of culture sa Western culture na every man for themselves. Like, ito ako hang dream, ito ang ako ang ihimo. Ito sa Davao is, ito ang amuhang dream, ito ang amuhang ihimo para sa pamilya nato, para sa komunidad nato. Kato jud ang masabi nako na iba jud from the West versus Davao itself. Yeah, dito sa Davao na tay culture of security. It doesn't come from just the police or the army or the government. It comes from yourself. Kasi gusto nimo na dili ka makasagabal og ibang tao. It's a really funny story actually, kasi nag-usap niya sa akong mama na what if mo join ko og Mutya ng Davao, katong high school pa ko. O niya, iningon ako sa akong mama, so mami, dili man ako bagay ang anak, kay medyo tumboyan ko sa una. And then after po nun, gi-message ako sa akong handler today, si Kuya MJ Mac, na interested ka ba mag-join ng Mutya ng Davao? And then I said, why not? And napasok ako top 20 finalist, but hindi nga natuloy. And then ever since, every year, Kuya MJ would message me na ready ka na, baka pag gusto mo this year mag-join. Dili pa jud ko ready. Pero after ko nag-graduate, ako ang lola, nagkasakit, ulit kong Pilipinas. And gusto na ako ma-proud sa ako. Dili lang sa ako ang academic background, but also, I want her to be proud of me na ako'y nahimo for the city as well. And Mutya ng Davao is a great platform for that, kasi you partner up with the city to do something for women in the city, as well as make your family proud to stage. So, it felt like worlds colliding na. I think this is for me for this year. Oh, for sure, our trip sa Pakibato District, super memorable. First time na ako nakakain og baki. Nakakain kog lizard. Unya, Davao is a very big city. Pero doon jud na ako na-realize ka big na city ang Davao. And kanais makihalubili sa ato mga fellow ata. Oh, it was really nice. Naka-adventure ta, naka-learn ko. Unya, kanang fulfilling sa heart. Yeah. The other memorable, of course, coronation night with my sisters, with my fellow Mutya sisters. Kasi after, it's the culmination ng lahat ng pinaghirapan namin, and then it's all in one night. Katong, sa end na ng night, nakaupo, may tanan sa van, like, hala, guys, congrats! Naghila ka na yun eh. It was very memorable. It's very sweet. It's a very sweet moment.
Let's go.
Kulbaan jud kay after this, tapos na, diba? So, gusto na ako, make it worth it. Unya, ako ang na-close jud ko sa akong fellow mutya sisters, murag tanan top 20. Katong top 10 na, natagak ang iba. Kaya kung sad ko kay, dream sad nila to. Na-feel jud na ako, pero katong top 5, top 10, giisip na ako na, dili lang, ang crown na ito, dili lang me for me. Para ilaha sad ni, kay ilang effort behind this as well. So, gusto na ako to make them proud and to make it worth it. Because this crown is just for me. That's the thing.
Kaapayan ko ay after hearing your barangay sa top 10, what was your initial reaction?
Happy jud kayo ko.
Did you expect na
Mapasok top 10? Dili. Kay late na kayo ko natawag. Ako ata pang 8 na tawag sa top 10. So sa isip lang na ako na whatever happens, it's not a losing moment. I would never lose. Kasi you come into the competition, of course you want the crown, but it's not just about the crown. You have to have, kailangan naasad kay ibang gusto makuha other than the crown. So for me, it was the experience. It was the adventure. It was yung part na na-fulfill na jud na ako itong dream na ito. Matahimik na jud ako ang kaluluwa. So, kato.
And then, after top 10, natawag ka ulit.
Natawag ako ulit.
Grabe, sa'yo mo expectations during that time. Na-expect ka naman na, ay, papasok talaga ako ng top 10 because I'm confident with my answers sa relatable question.
I wouldn't say nag-expect ko, pero unsay mahitabo, happy ko. Kay nasulod na ko top 10, kunya akong efforts, kabalo ko na dili wasted. Na kay na-prove na ako sa sarili na kaya ko.
The very tricky question of the final Q&A.
Oh my goodness.
Grabe, it's more on war and siguro political issues as well.
Yeah.
Ito nga question, naka-prepare na ba ka ito before pa lang sa inyo ang grade?
I would say yes. Naka-prepare ko ato kay I would say I'm very much an activist. Kunya sa ako ang regular conversations with my friends, we do talk about that. Kasi dili lang kita ang naapektuhan, dili lang silang naapektuhan, kita sad. Kasi we're all part of the human race. We're all part of this world. Kaya akong answer was about hope. Kunya, ang problema sa akong answer kay, akala nag-blackout ko on stage. Dili ko na kabalo na, di ay na ako na end ako ang thought. Kaya medyo, if ma-watch back mo, dili siya complete. So, rewatch na ko ang live and then na-realize na ko, ay, wala na ako natapos. Pero, I'm proud of it kasi my sentiments, my heart was in that answer. And I would never take it back.
I guess.
3 weeks.
3 weeks pa.
3 weeks pa. Kunya, Holy Week pa dyan. Nakauna namin week. So far, ang na-join na ako during Women's Month, naka-join ko og baking classes for women sa Georgie Ilagan. Unya, naka-join ako og talks, especially with my barangay. Nagpasalamat ko sa ilaha, nasali ko sa ilang barangay address. And so far, nag-focus pa ako sa akong pamilya, kaya ako ang dito na sa hospital. So, focus muna ako sa akong pamilya and then after nun, gusto na ako ipatuloy ang akong advocacy. I've already been talking to people from IGDD and somebody from City Tourism na gusto na ako ipakalat ako ang advocacy about women's female reproductive awareness. I really daghang pasalamat jud sa akong barangay Bago Galera, among everlasting support. Salamat jud kaayo sa akong family na bisan asa pa sa Davao, asa pa sa Mindanao, ug sa Pilipinas moadto diri para mosuporta sa ako ang boyfriend si Kieran watching from Canada. I really appreciate you. Even though you don't understand pageants that much, I really feel your love. And of course, my mom and my dad, na ako ang mama sa Amerika, ug akong papa sa Canada, pero muuli jud sila para tanawon ko niya. I-encourage nila ako even though I'm down, even though grabe na second thoughts na ako. Sila jud ako ang rest backer, sila jud ako ang ma-lean on kay sila jud ako ang rock. Thank you so much, Mom and Dad. And Kuya MJ for always believing in me all these years. Kuya Daryl for my hair and for encouraging me every time I feel down as well. mag-ingana lang si Kuya Daryl na, girl, buka lang. Gamit lang yung face card. Thank you, Kuya Daryl, so much. Sir Neil, Sir J. Ibay, thank you for teaching me how to walk because I didn't know. And yeah, thank you, Sir Cyril, for giving me this opportunity to talk.